Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change your Kia Niro cabin air filter. First, open your glove box on the passenger side. Make sure it's completely empty. Next, you'll need to detach the two small dampeners, one on each side, that hold the glove box in place. Gently push them inward and pull them out. This allows the glove box to swing down further, giving you access to the filter housing. With the dampeners removed, you can now fully lower the glove box. Gently squeeze the sides of the glove box inward to clear the stoppers. This will allow it to drop down completely, exposing the rectangular housing where your cabin air filter is located. It's usually a black plastic cover, easy to spot once the glove box is out of the way. Now, locate the two small clips on the sides of the filter housing cover. Gently press them inward and pull the cover off. Carefully slide out the old cabin air filter. Pay close attention to the arrow indicating the airflow direction on the old filter. This is crucial for installing the new filter correctly, ensuring proper air circulation. Take your new cabin air filter and insert it into the housing, making sure the airflow arrow points in the same direction as the old one. Snap the filter housing cover back into place, ensuring both clips are secure. Finally, lift the glove box back up, reattach the two dampeners, and close it. You're all set with fresh cabin air.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.